Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to St. George Island, Florida. In this video, we'll mainly travel along East Gulf Beach Drive. This barrier island stretches about 28 miles long and up to a mile wide, nestled off Florida's Gulf Coast. Long before modern times, indigenous peoples, including the Apalachee and Muskogee tribes, called this island home. They relied on its abundant resources for fishing and gathering shellfish. In the 16th century, Spanish explorers arrived, marking the beginning of European influence in the area. In the 19th century, the nearby town of Apalachicola became a bustling port, especially known for the cotton trade. St. George Island played a crucial role in protecting Apalachicola Bay, serving as a natural barrier against the open Gulf, which helped ensure safe harbor for ships. During World War II, the island was used for training exercises by troops from nearby bases, adding a unique chapter to its history. Today, St. George Island is celebrated for its unspoiled landscapes. The island is home to the Dr. Julian G. Bruce St. George Island State Park, which offers 9 miles of pristine shoreline, dunes, and marshes. The island's commitment to preservation means there are no high-rise buildings, allowing visitors to fully appreciate its serene beaches and clear Gulf waters. Whether you're here for the rich history, the natural beauty, or simply a peaceful retreat, St. George Island offers a unique and welcoming experience.
Thanks for watching!